Someone should tell you. Assistant Janet from the stealing company funds. You know, Brad and Janet, they were in the paper for what they did. All these headlines were talking about how good they did, but I don't believe them one bit. I think they're crooks. I think they're very bad people. You know, Brad and Janet, they had a child out of wedlock. Why would they do that? Last night I had this dream where I got killed in my sleep. It was so realistic. It was blood everywhere.
How have you been? How's work? How are my grandchildren? I never hear from you.
Is this a finger? Ah!
Finally, some peace and quiet.